Okay, hello again. So I get this question a lot. Basically, I talk to people every day about changing their health, changing what they're eating. And many people don't know how. So I'm going to just give you a 3-ingredient smoothie that's simple, that I've been making since the dark ages, personally. It tastes pretty good. It's sweeter. Basically, you're going to have spinach, banana, and handful of almonds. Now, this recipe, as most of my recipes, are not exact. You kind of go based on how well it blends. Oh, and of course, ice and a little water. So, what you're going to do, you're going to start with the ice. A few cubes. I'm going to say, 4 or 5, basically. And then you're going to add the spinach. Now, spinach, one of your dark green leafies that ideally you get as much of this in your diet as possible. So I try to cram in as much spinach as I can because then I'm getting a decent serving of fresh spinach. Okay, the banana. All right. And my hands are clean. In case you're wondering, in case you're worried about my health status. Yes. I'm going to throw the banana in. And the peel, not so much. Almonds. This is, I actually measured this for once, a 1/4 cup of almonds, but I just do a handful, and that's about a 1/4 cup. And then the water is usually the issue for me. Is my blender is not up there with what all naturopathic doctors are supposed to have, which is a Vitamix. One day when I've really reached status, I will own a Vitamix. For now, I'm just a half-arsed naturopathic doctor. Okay, put it in. That should be good. And then basically, if you have a really cheap blender like me, you keep this handy and just blend it up. And since I had this ready, I didn't even need it. Okay, and then, pour it into a glass. Right? Glass. Got a little liquidy. It's a little on the liquidy side for me. Usually I like it a little thicker than this. But it's a good serving of greens. And the almonds give it a little bit of the creamy thing. So try it. Check it out. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Like I said, simple. Literally 3 ingredients plus water and ice. Plus a blender. Adios. Thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up and share.